Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix GTA 5 uh, crashing. It's easy. If you want to fix it, click here and then right click on GTA 5 and now click properties, and after that compatibility. Now click run this program as administrator, and also this one disable full screen optimization, and first one make it for Windows 8. Now click apply and OK and then close it. And now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to update your GPU. So just click here and here. Maybe you'll find updates, an update for your GPU. So just click download and then you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.